This is Jake over here, and sorry I couldn't continue recording. I didn't have enough recording space. I've deleted some stuff, so... I'm not going to be able to record for long. I need to be really quick. Come on. This is going to be easy, this one. Which one should I use? I know it's a bit radical, but still. Oh, so he's dead. Shouldn't have done that. It's wasting time. Oh no. God's sake. I hate Hydreigons. Use Seismitoad. Oh, that's a good thing. Drain Punch. Can you hurry up? Two more Pokemon, I wanna do this! Oh no, he's down. Oh, don't worry, this will be super effective against him. Ultra effective. Oh, come on, it leaves him with 1 HP. So unlucky. And it wastes time. Oh my god! This better be a critical hit, this next move. Oh my god! At least I'm getting my health restored though. There we go, that's it. In the camera. Come on, he's got 1 left. I don't care about the level. Switch to Serperior. I know it's a bit of a weird choice, but... Oh, God. It's because electric type moves aren't very effective against grass type, and I wanted to choose my powerfulest. Oh, come on. Oh, thank God. Come on, 1 more hit. 1 more hit with Leaf Storm. Oh, come on. Come on, I've got to be fast. Okay. Hydro Pump should finish it. Oh my god, how does he avoid attacks like that? Drain Punch. There we go. That should finish it. What the hell? How did that not finish him? Come on, 1 more hit! If he uses a 4v throw, I'm going to kill him. That's it. There we go. There we go. Oh, I've completed the game again. Anyway, thanks for watching. Who gets this? Check out next time for next